Well, I was staying in the city this weekend and figured I would take that opportunity to do some shooting. So I headed up to an area called Hudson Yards. It's a relatively new area of Manhattan. Some great modern buildings. There's a structure in the middle called the Vessel, which is fantastic. You can walk up it. And I just wanted to try to capture the Vessel and also capture some of those great buildings around there. Well, the Vessel is actually closed for visitors until about 10 a.m. and people line up about 9:30. But there was a security guy there, and I just went up to him and said, "Hey, do you mind if I get down in the middle with a wide lens and shoot straight up?" Figuring he has no reason to say yes, but in fact, since I was nice about it, he said yes. And so I got these shots lying on my back, which is very cool. So thank you, Ricardo. Coming down early on an Easter Sunday morning, probably a great time to come photograph this area because of course there's no one here at this hour, and there's some great buildings. Just kind of walking around trying to find some good angles and good shots. All brand new buildings, so it's a lot of fun. I think I'm going to get something out of this. So it was pretty cloudy this morning. Clouds are starting to break a little bit. We see some detail in the clouds, and they're moving, which means I want to try to capture that movement if I can. And so I set up my camera on a tripod with a 10-stop neutral density filter. I'm going to try to capture some of that movement. I'm not sure there's enough definition in these clouds just yet, but I figure I'd give it a shot. I'm going out about a 2-minute exposure right now because it's still somewhat dark. We'll see how it comes out. Got a good composition, just got to make sure the technique is right. Pretty good composition in this one building. I'm just waiting for the perfect clouds to fly by the top of it. I'm trying to be patient, but I don't want to give up hope just yet. Well, a security guy just came by and said, "Can't use a tripod in this area." Fortunately for me, I got most of my shots with the tripod anyway. I'm gonna head back, get them on the computer, take a look at them. You've seen the good ones already. Hope you liked them. I still have to play with them, so we'll see how they turn out.